In this session, we will accept two integer values with the string in between. So let us say the marks of the student are given like max mark and physics mark. So the max mark is 50 and the physics mark is 60. But in between them, the name of the student is given. Let's say it is Arun. So it is separated by space. Now the program must print Arun and the total marks. Okay. After Arun, a space and then the total marks 110 because 50 plus 60 is 110. Suppose the input was like 35 Bala and 70. The output must be Bala 105. Here in the line we have mixed data types. This is integer, but this is string value. So let's say how to pass this input. So let's say it is 40, Arun, and then it is 60. So first we will split the input values. So we will have max, name, and physics marks. So all these will be of string data type because in Python implicitly it will consider the data type. So now we have to convert this max to int. So what will you say? You will say max is equal to int of max. So name you will leave it as such because we need it as string data type only. Physics you will say int of physics. So this we need to do. So let us solve this program in Python. So first we will split the values. So we have max, name, and physics marks. So we will say input dot split. If you want, you can strip and then split. So now max equal to int of max. Similarly, physics is equal to int of physics. So now we need to print the values. So print, first we have to print the name and then we have to print the total marks. So max plus physics and the separator must be a space. So you are giving a space here. So let us execute the program. So we will give the marks as 50, Arun, and then you are giving 44. So it will print Arun 94. So based on our discussion, please solve the program and thanks for watching.